and I'm falling in love with the college. So, I was visiting Dr. Giri. Last month, I received a call from another city of Tamil Nadu. We did a bilateral TI joint reconstruction for one of my patients. The girl is now 21 years old. I have operated on her bilateral tail joint, release of the joint when she was 3 years old. So now they want some reconstruction. The anesthetist called me. We started the surgery in the morning 8 o'clock. Now at 11:30 he's calling, patient is not recovering. Patient is? No. Congratulations, you've done a good job. Why the patient was not recovering from anesthesia at 11:30 in the night? The surgeon opened the joint. He went into the joint to fix the prosthesis. You need to drill the, the genoid tubercle and the callus. He kept on drilling to fit the prosthesis. He went into the petrous part of the truncal bone. You know which artery comes inside? Which artery comes inside? Forms a loop inside internal carotid artery. He drilled that. Then it was bleeding, he blanked. He didn't know. He said some bleeding. Now surgery on one side over. The other side also same problem. Both sides nicely fit joint, but now the anesthetic is giving the reversal. The patient's not breathing. Now you all know what would have happened. Now the girl is totally paralyzed. She's just living. Cannot move the hands. So you need to know the anatomy well. So now I will go step by step. How I started. Yeah, that is what everybody wants. How I started my life. Not from Madras. I came to Chennai in 91. I was a dental surgeon. As our colleagues said, I also didn't like to join BDS. I was deprived of MBBS by only few points to get the merit seat. When I joined in Anomaly, that time also it's the same like government has taken over the university. So the government dental college seats were not the same time. Anomaly also. So first, I think 5 or 6 batches. I think till Shankar's batch. Ravi's batch, it was many students. After that, again, it was given back to the management. Like same, Ramachandra also in between taken over by the government. So when I joined PDS, when I was a dental surgeon, my teacher was Professor V.C. Nielsen, cancer surgeon. I was very much involved in cancer. Dr. Ravindra knows. Every week we do 2 to 3 heavy manipectomies and maxillofacials. Our job is to organize go begin the patient. And it was very thrilling for us to do every week 3 to 4 reconstructive surgery. But my teacher, he was a very good surgeon and a very good teacher. But I updated later. Till the year 1994-95, I was fully involved in cancer surgery. Then I shifted to deformities. That is, congenital deformities. Now, I go to the book after giving you a little bit of idea how you can, grow in dentistry. So first dental surgeon, then I became a oral surgeon. Then very late I joined MBBS, but I couldn't complete because of my workload. At the age of, I wanted to complete before my younger daughter, but she became a gynecologist before I became a. So now dental surgeon, oral surgeon, then maxillofacial surgeon, then into craniofacial surgeon. Now you want to write up. What do you need? You need the content. Right? You want to publish an article, you want the content. What is the content? How do you get the content? You work. And you document it. See, you're taking so many pictures, look at it. It's taking. So, this is what very